Well, we're finally ready to make the move. Move all this stuff over here. Got this all done. Flat white on the ceilings. And I got eggshell antique white on the walls. So I got 3 coats on the walls. I got 2 coats on the ceiling. I got 2 coats on the windows, semi-gloss. Actually high gloss. Just wanted to show you this before it's all full of stuff. It's bad lighting in here. I didn't get the lights installed yet. I caulked everything that was open on the bottom. That's all caulked shut. Nowhere for the bugs to go. They can hide in the boxes. That's about it. Got this all done. Tomorrow I'm going to start working outside while the kid can move all this stuff. He's got to about here, somewhere over here, so I can blend into it. I mean, it's about 6 feet. That should work. And I said I was going to show you the paint I use on the ceiling that you can blend into later, which is this right here. The Sherwin-Williams ProMar 200 flat extra white. Stuff's wonderful, but I had to buy some. So instead I found down in the basement, I found this 5 I bought about 1.5 years ago. So I figured it's flat white, I'll just use that. So I already had this 5, I figured I'd save my customers some money. And it looks pretty good itself. I mean, that looks beautiful. None of the spackle bled through, nothing. So I should be all right. But we'll see. If not, I'll just redo the whole ceiling with the ProMar 200. If you're going to use this, you notice how it only says ProMar 200 on it. They also have, I think it's ProMar ceiling or something like that. You don't want that. You just want this, the ProMar 200. You can use it on the ceiling, walls, whatever you want to do. But you just want this one. You see this was eggshell? That's what I used on the walls. So this one here was the flat. And it just says ProMar 200. It's like $20-something a gallon. Stuff's beautiful. Yeah, unfortunately it got dark on me. You see the paint starting to dry. But I got the first coat on the garage. First coat here. I did this first. I didn't do this wall yet because my customer may want me to also paint the brick. She doesn't like the brick color with the wall color. So we'll have to see. I just want to show you where I'm at on this job. I got 2 coats on the white around the windows, the top. I only painted the top of that because I had to tape it. The reason why I had to tape it is because you can't cut this kind of paint in with a brush. If you do, you'll see it. It's like a halo effect. So if you cut that in with a brush, then you got to do the whole wall with the brush. Because if you cut that with a brush and use a roller, you'll see the difference. So I had to go right up to it with the roller in order to get it straight, so I had to tape it. I mean, I'm the first one to tell you, never tape a job. Always cut it in with a brush and then roll. But these new formulas they're coming out with, you can see the wall is still wet because the sun went down. but it should dry overnight. No rain tonight. So my plan is to get this done and get the front done, and then all I have left is back here. And we got the garage moved over, so now I got this whole section I can drywall. We're leaving this insulation. We put this in a couple years ago from the top because there's an attic up there, and we were plywooding it, so we put some insulation in there. We took the old moldy stuff out. So then I got this section to complete. The wall's already done. I did that like a year and a half ago. So all I gotta do, I gotta fix the cinder block. I gotta patch that. I gotta patch all the cracks and holes, and I'm gonna paint that wall. So I just wanted to show you a little quick update where we're at on this job. And once this is done, then I gotta see if I can get the building inspector over here to look at that deck and tell me, can I fix it or do I need to take it down? Because my customer already said if the township doesn't approve of it, she wants me to take it down. So that's what we're gonna do. Here's what it looks like second coat. Of course, it looks a little darker than up there. I'm gonna let it dry over the weekend, see what happens. Didn't come out too bad. Peeled all the tape, got the plastic off the windows. Paint's still drying, of course. I guess we'll see on Monday. So a lot of the neighbors are asking my customer, did you have the house power washed? How many times do you have the house power washed? 0. Well, how does the stucco stay so clean? Self-cleaning paint we applied. Cleans itself when it rains. Dirt doesn't stick. Let's go over here. See the wall I did in 2021. The side over here is no dirt. There's nothing. There's nothing. Except on the generator, it has the mold, but nothing on the wall. Just wanted to give you a view from the street. Almost done here, almost ready to move to that deck.